This is the Perfect Nude Letterbox Look, and there is a colour and shade to suit every skin tone. Today I'm going to show you how to use your new letterbox look to create your perfectly nude look. I like to start my look with my eyebrows, and I've used the new brochure to help me match my perfect eyebrow shade. I've gone for Shade Blonde in the Glimmer Stick Brow Definer, and I'm just going to use that to create a really nice, light, fluffy brow. So starting just past the halfway point, I'm slowly going to fill my brow in. So again, I start just beyond the beginning point, bring it round. You can sort of go darker towards the end, and then I go back towards the front, and I'm just quite light and gentle with the front to keep it quite natural. My letterbox look colour is blush, so I get this beautiful Barely Blush eyeshadow quad. I'm going to start with number 1, which is the lightest colour. I'm going to apply this quite liberally to the inside of my eye here. So again, just on the inside of my eye here, and then up into my brow, and then just blend that across. Once I'm happy with that, I take colour number 2, and this is quite a pretty rose gold sort of metallic shade, and this I'm just going to put over the main part of my eyelid, just like this. And I want this to be the main feature of my look. And as you can see, it's quite a nudie colour, but it just pops a little bit there. Now I'm next going to take number 3, and I don't want too much of this because I want to keep quite a nude look, but I'm going to pop this into the corner here of my eye and just slightly up into the crease. And again, just keeping that quite neutral, I'm just going to blend that into the corners. The final step with the eyes is to take colour number 4 and use it a little bit like an eyeliner. Now I want to keep this look quite natural, so I'm going to do this very lightly. So just into the outside corner, I'm just going to add a little bit of number 4 just here, and this will just define my lash line a little. So again, just here. I'm just going to finish the look off with a little bit of Marc Big and False mascara. And I like to pop just a little bit of mascara underneath as well, just so you see those lashes in the outer corner. Before I continue with my letterbox look, I'm going to apply my foundation, and again I've used the new brochure to help me select the colour Warm Ivory. So now I'm just going to start to apply from the centre of your face and work outwards. I just like to set my cream to powder foundation with a little bit of loose powder, so just gently along the areas where I want a little bit less shine. I'm just going to set that. Back to my letterbox look, I've got my luminous blush, and this is shade Peach. Now this comes with a really handy little brush, so I can use that to help me apply it. This spring is going to be all about blush, and I'm going to apply this a little higher, almost where you'd put a highlighter, for a bit of a spring flushed look. And just little circles. So I think that really works with the eyes. With my letterbox look, I also get a lip liner and a lipstick. This is the lip liner in Pink Cashmere, and quite simply I'm going to draw around my lips. Now I like to slightly fill in my lips, as I find that then the lipstick will last you longer. And finally, I get to use my lipstick. I've got shade Blush, and I'm just going to apply this now to my lips. What I love about this is that it's that light pink blush tone that is really ready for spring, but also feels really light and natural. The final little treat in your letterbox look is a MARC Gel Shine Nail Enamel, which means you can really finish off your look. And this is shade I Pink I Can. So that's my letterbox look. I hope you like it. Remember, these are available now for you to order, so check out the link in my description for more info.